TAGRY X08 wireless earbuds offer clear audio and stable Bluetooth connectivity. They're designed for smooth music playback, calls, and everyday listening. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the TAGRY X08 wireless earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, charging cable, and user manual. Product overview. How to wear. Choose the comfortable ear tips. Wear it in ear and adjust to a comfortable position. Please put the right and left headphones on the correct ear. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. To connect the TAGRY X08 earbuds, make sure Bluetooth is on and open the charging case. Select X08 from your iPhone's Bluetooth list, and they'll pair instantly. The earbuds have LED lights that show connection status, and to turn them off, just place them back in the case and close the lid. Smart features? The charging case features a clear LED screen showing the battery level of both the case and each earbud. This lets you always know how much power is left and when it's time to recharge. The charging case supports both fast USB-C charging and convenient wireless charging. It lets you power up the earbuds easily anytime without needing cables. Powerful 13mm drivers deliver deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs for an immersive audio experience. Perfect for music, calls, and videos with balanced, detailed sound. Sweat and splash-resistant design makes them ideal for workouts and outdoor use. Earbuds connect automatically when the case is opened, making pairing quick and effortless. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the TAGRY X08 wireless earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your TAGRY X08 wireless earbuds. See you at the next one.